We can send signals anywhere on Earth. We have satellites, fiber networks, undersea cables. But in 2026, there are still places where we send a signal and get no response. And these places are not in space. They are on this planet. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans, and roughly 80% of those oceans have not been fully mapped. We sent humans to the moon. We landed robots on Mars. We received signals from Voyager, over 20 billion kilometers away. Yet a large part of our own planet is still dark. Take the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, approximately 10,984 meters deep. Radio signals sent there are absorbed by water. As depth increases, communication becomes nearly impossible. The pressure is around 1,000 bar. That's about 1,000 times the pressure at the surface. Sending equipment down there is difficult. Getting data back is even harder, and we have directly observed only a tiny fraction of that region. Now think about Antarctica. In some areas, the ice reaches up to 4 kilometers thick. Beneath the ice, there are lakes, bodies of water that have been isolated for millions of years. We send radar, we send seismic waves, but we still don't fully understand the ecosystems beneath the ice. What lives there? How does it survive? There is no clear answer. Then there is intentional silence. North Sentinel Island in the Indian Ocean, a tribe of approximately 50 to 150 people. They reject contact with the outside world. When helicopters approach, they fire arrows. When boats come close, they attack. There are satellite images, but there is no communication. In the middle of the modern world, a community that has chosen not to respond. And then there is the inside of the Earth. The distance to the center is about 6,371 kilometers. The deepest humans have ever drilled is just 12,262 meters. That's not even 0.2% of the planet's radius. The inner core's temperature is estimated to be around 5,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. We send seismic waves. We measure vibrations, but we cannot observe it directly. We send signals, but we don't receive a true response. We transmit messages into space. We receive data from Mars. We get signals from spacecraft that have left the solar system. Yet on our own planet, there are still places that do not answer. Is this a technological limit or a boundary set by nature? Maybe the real question is this. We wonder whether we are alone in space. But how much of our own planet do we truly know? Because some regions of Earth are not just unexplored, they are silent. And sometimes the most unsettling thing is not the darkness, but a silence that refuses to answer.